But long you pula, suppose no got toy long pocket, you no got money now. Long me bankrupt no got one the toy stuff, I'm never poor. Because there's money everywhere. All you have to do is learn how to negotiate. Now use your money belong not belong money. Use your money belong bank. Use your money belong only investors. Use your ground belong only papa ground. Use your DY belong only. For me to become rich is an easy something. I just got to organize it. That I'm just trying to explain to you. I'm not showing off. I'm just trying to explain the meaning of personal viability. If you are viable, you can organize anything. Whether you got money or not, it does not matter. Because you can use your money, blah, not blah.
And I've done everything that no man in this country has done. I've taken over 7 banks. I've bought 7 banks. I'm a pig farmer. I fly Australian pigs. I export coffee all over the world, and including America. The blokes who lost their families down here during the Second World War, they came over, and then I took them up to Goroka, showed them the coffee, and then gave them a bag of it, all the balloons. They took it to their wives and children, and about 3 weeks later, they called back, and they said, "Mr. Bianchi." "Yeah, sir, that's me." And they said, "We're calling from San Francisco." I said, "Oh my God." I said, "And what can I do for you?" He said, "Well, listen, you know, you gave us some coffee." I said, "Yeah." "You brought it over." And he said, "We drank it and we want some more." I said, "Of course you can. We get some more." So what actually transpires now, right now as I sit with you, is that I am now exporting PNG coffee, organic coffee, which is grown and fixed by the village people, which is grown, take it, go to the machines, they pulp it, they put it in the water, they wash it, they dry it, and then I have 3 factories at the moment operating. 3 in Hagen, 4 in Goroka, 2 in Lae. That's all the coastal coffee. So what I do is I export coffee. So I sent it to them. They drank all that. They took all the billions. And I said, "Do you have pickpockets in America?" I said, "Of course we do." And I lived in America for 1977. I flew up to America. And I went to IMF Institute, IMF World Bank and IMF Institute. And I'm sitting there. And I designed a house which was exactly there, but I did it. But I mean, the point is that now I am exporting PNG coffee to America, and they like PNG, they love PNG, so they want some more. Now we got to grow some more coffee, guys. You know, I mean, this is the shit. You know, this is the real issue. So all the coffee I actually purchase, process, and export about 80% of it. Of all the coffee from Hagen, Anga, Southern Islands, Lae, in the Morobe provinces and all that sort of thing, all the coastal regions, they do. We do. I think we do Baker coffee, you know, and then all the others down there, they do. There's another brand that actually does it. But the one that actually, in fact, what they're doing is they're taking our coffee and mixing it up with coffee from South America, Vietnam, all that sort of thing, and then making it into the grade. They put it in the tin. You just take a spoon and put a coffee in, and then you've got it. And I said, "No, you don't mix it with the others, because this one actually gives you." But then, you know, they said, "No, it's a lot cheaper if we get it from this bastard," you know. So, I mean, that's okay. That's all right, but my God, you know. And so, this is it. I mean, for PNG's coffee, I've probably been doing a hell of a lot. I mean, I actually went to the Highlands for the Day Valley, all that coffee area. I spoke to them.